guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel and a happy new year to all of you. 2018 is here. Everybody's gonna be like, new year, new me, but I'm here like, same old me. Today's video is gonna be my Kohl's after holiday haul. I always wanted to go to Kohl's when they're after the holidays because I know they're gonna have some good stuff for clearance, and Kohl's did not disappoint. So I'm gonna go in. I got some skincare, some hair products, one makeup item. First up, it's H2O Beauty's holiday sets. This is the H2O Beauty Oasis Hydration Heroes. It includes the Oasis Hydrating Treatment along with the hydrating cream. It's a $15 value. It was sold at $10 during the holidays, but now since the holidays have passed, I got this little guy for $5. And I didn't just get one, but I got two. H2O Beauty, I've tried them before. I love the hydrating treatment, so I'm looking forward to using these. Also from H2O Beauty, I got the Oasis Dewy Duo, value of $48. It was sold $30 during the holidays, and it's on clearance for $15. So I get here, it's the Oasis Hydrating Treatment again, also the Oasis Smooth Lip Conditioner. And I'm really excited to use the lip conditioner because during the winter, my lips get pretty dry, and you know, I got a boyfriend, you know, I got a kid, so. More H2O Beauty, guys. I got these. These are the Elements Wipe Away the Day Face Cloth. I usually got the Simple Wipes, the micellar wipe. Simple micellar water wipes. So I saw these. These are $10 a piece, guys. $10 a piece at Kohl's, and they have this duo. So it was two of them for $10. So come on. But I didn't just buy two, I bought four. Because, you know, we need face wipes. I need to take off my makeup. I need to take the day off. So that's why I bought all four. And these are the last four in my Kohl's. Next up on the list, I got Japonesque, however the hell you pronounce it. I got the Solid Brush Cleanser. It's a goat milk cleansing balm. I do use this huge, and I dropped it. So I use this liquid makeup brush cleaner that I bought at Ulta, but I loved how the Solid Brush Cleansers worked out. So I got that, and this was on sale for $10. It was originally $20. Riley, mother freaking Riley, why? What are you doing? Like, why do you have to rip up bows from Christmas? Like, I was gonna use that for next year, but you know, you're over here destroying stuff. Riley gets on my nerves. When there's bags and boxes and bows, she goes crazy. Back to the Solid Brush Cleanser. I prefer Solid Brush Cleansers because I feel like they go deep into my brushes and clean them very well. So that's why I got this. $10, original $20. Next up on the list, from Pure Cosmetics, I got their Lip Lure Liquid Lipstick. Originally $22, and I actually got this for $6 at Kohl's. So all of the ones that I saw, they were actually already used, but I was so lucky that this one was not used. It's one of those plush liquid lipsticks that you have to twist up and apply, and I actually love these because I love the cushiony feel on my lips, how it applies, and I have tried these before and I love them, and I'm so glad I was able to get this. And Riley Jr. Next up, I got hair care products. Shampoos and conditioners on sale as well. They were 50% off. So I got the Redken All Soft Shampoo and Conditioner. So I got them both. Conditioner was $7 and the shampoo was $7.40. So not bad for a product that's usually $18-20. Also, I got the Matrix Biolage. Color Last shampoo and conditioner. These are also $7 at Kohl's, and I went crazy. I bought another one. I got the Ultra Hydra Source for dry hair. My hair sometimes gets dry, So I wanted to give these a try to see if it does, you know, revive these locks. And just to mention, guys, this isn't my natural hair texture. I have extremely curly hair. It's just years of me flat ironing it. But yeah, it was actually redder. Now it's going back to that. My hair's trying to go back to some green shade that I had before. Riley has this fetish of chewing ribbons. Look at it. This was a perfectly packaged ribbon. Perfectly packaged ribbon, and it's all shredded because of Riley. She destroys bags, bows, and boxes, and it's just like, why I gotta destroy stuff? So there you have it, guys. After getting into a little tiff with Riley, all the things from Kohl's. Guys, just go to your local Kohl's. They have great clearance. Most of the items are 50% off, and let me tell you, you'll find good deals. If you guys want to see more haul videos, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. Share it to the whole world to show little old me. Like me on Instagram. Follow me. I'll put all the links in the description below. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.